Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's officially been a week since I've been a Ghanaian citizen, and in this video I'm gonna take y'all with me to the timber market.
My food truck needed some repairs, so let's go and see what we got. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks. So Jonah has me at the timber market, accompanying him. Not what I signed up for. Fresh lady, fine boy. This is the timber market where they got all sorts of wood. Can you tell me what kind of wood for the camera? But if you're in Ghana and you need any type of wood, you come to the timber market in Accra Central, not far from Makala Market. So you see they have like chairs, they're building wardrobes, they're building, ooh, anything you need. They got it here. So nails and bolts. They have it here? We added curry goat to the menu, so we can get goats right here at the market. Fresh goat. Fresh curry goat. And chickens. But everybody say I look Ghanaian anyway. What do you think? Do I look Ghanaian? So people just talk to me in Tree and they expect me to know. So now I really have to know. Thank you.
Guys, I kid you not, ever since I became Ghanaian, the compliments has been on 100. Like, I would get compliments before all the time, but now it's just on another level.
Huh?
The show, the snails, and other things.
The bushes.
Different things.
Why you stop walking?
Because I'm explaining it to you. That's why.
Oh.
I don't know.
So who could I ask? You're ruining my market experience. I have a flight to catch tonight. So what do you want to tell the people? Huh? Say something about the timber market. My harness. Jamaica flag. Jamaica flags everywhere. This is my 4th day as being a Ghanaian. I'm officially Ghanaian. I'm officially Ghanaian, even though I've been coming to this market, but no, this is nothing new to me. Thinking of it. I'm missing it all. This is no fun.
So I didn't want to be rude and just recording people's face. So I just put my phone to the side and I was just recording as I was walking through the market, just so you guys can have like a glimpse of like everyday life in the markets in Ghana. But this specifically is the timber market, and it's not far from Makala Market. And the timber market provides literally everything that you need to build, repair, fix, you name it.
So if you need a glass cut or made or what, like how does this work? Cut? House of Glasses and Mirrors. I want this. This is what this is gonna be?
Yeah.
That small piece? He's gonna do this today?
Yeah, right now.
You sent him that picture?
No, he knows it already.
Oh, let me see.
After he cut it, then how do the other works.
Wow, half moon is what it's called. Let's see it. I'm always melting. I think I'm getting sunburned. So this is how he measures the glass. Because it has to be like in a circular curve motion. I don't know if you can see the mark on the window.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
I didn't have to move out.
That's the lovely thing about Ghana. You can get stuff made to exactly how you want it. What was that? He just cut it just now? No way. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, look at the magic happening. I'm speechless. That is so cool. Wow. That's so cool. You can literally get anything here in Ghana made, done, anything. Like y'all saw it just now for yourself. So what's gonna happen with that piece?
I'll use it for the hexagonal
So he's cutting it again?
Yeah, he said somebody may just
Somebody did what?
may get it when
Oh. Wow. Who knew? Am I the only one that didn't know that's how glass cut?
Yeah.
So they have doorknobs, they have paints. Like look at all the different knobs that they have. Or handles, door handles. They got locks. Literally, think of it as a Home Depot, but a whole market of a Home Depot. They have tubes across the street. What are those tubes? I don't know. Hold on, let me flip the screen. They have these things. What are those things called? I don't know. But whatever you need, they got wires, they got hose, they got pipe, they got all sorts of doorknobs and locks and things. They're hustling the bustle of Accra. And this is not even like the real busy part. How much fuel do you wait, we're waiting for this guy. How much fuel do you have? It's on my YouTube. So you cover your fuel because you don't want to see it. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Do you know I'm Ghanaian now? I'm Ghanaian now. How you know?
Oh.
You can tell?
Yeah. If I know your name, I know that you are Ghanaian.
My name is Deijha.
Your real name?
Deijha.
Why can you do that?
So why are you covering your fuel? Huh?
I rough enough.
So you block this. Or you? Okay. Do you need anything else from me for now?
No.
You gonna keep that?
Yeah, I'm going to get to that place. I'll call you.
Okay. See, my name is Deijha.
You can go now.
Sir, I want to know why did you block your gas? I want to know what is the point of this? You're ignoring what you need? What's your name?
Me.
To say what's your name in tree is
Within the same.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, but I have to process it first. So why are you covering it?
I don't have enough food.
That's why you blocked it off?
Yeah.
So you don't want to see it?
No.
So what happens if it's gone and it's all the way down and you don't know? What happens if now...
I know the kilometers that I can go and my phone.
So let's go stop for some fuel.
Is that?
Let's stop at a filling station.
Yeah, there's a fuel station, but like I know kilometers.
Yes, but I want air conditioning. So let's go stop at a filling station, okay?
Okay, then you buy the fuel and I'll
Yes.
give you the cash. Okay, no problem.
How long is that going to take?
You can even buy 73.
But that means you got to take me 2 stops.
I'll give you full air conditioning.
But you got to take me 2 stops in Chado.
Chado.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. Chado. How you say it? Chado.
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 Yeah.
Chado. I already got a heat rash on my face and it's itching. So I need air. The Home Depot of Accra. Paint, wires, doors, plywood, tiles, everything you see. They even have these trucks, so if you need it to be delivered, you can get it delivered. It never fails. You start off with 70 and now you're saying 100. I talk about this all the time. Tell me the price up front so we will have no issues.
How much is that?
So we'll do 100. Huh?
And go.
65?
Yeah.
So that's how much I have to give you?
65 cents.
Why 65?
You can't go.
So it's full.
It's not full, but I don't know. There's a slow point, slow tank.
So guys, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed coming to the timber market with me today. We are now on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Let's see how long it takes me to get there. But I know I'm gonna get there anyway. But if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.